Hey guys, it's Justin and we got you here your first look at this new OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Compared to other prior Nord smartphones, this seems to be sprinkled with more premium features including a 2.8D curved glass back, a 120Hz AMOLED display, 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor, 80W SUPERVOOC fast charging, 16GB of RAM, and a 5G-ready MediaTek Dimensity 9000. There's a lot more in it, so let's check it out! Tingnan muna natin yung laman ng box niya. So here we have OnePlus's black box, and pagbukas natin we get a smaller box that keeps its SIM ejector tool and all the paperwork. Unfortunately, walang free casing dito. Moving forward sa ilalim is yung mismong phone na itatabi muna natin. And then underneath is the 60W SUPERVOOC adapter and the red USB-A to USB-C cable. Admiring its design, we like how this Nord 3 is built with glass. Yung edges niya is made out of 2.8D micro-arc glass, making it more comfortable to grip. Medyo ma-attract nga lang siya sa fingerprints and smudges, but overall it still gives that expensive look. By the way, this color is called Misty Green, but it's more of a blue hue in my opinion. Over here, we get a OnePlus logo, pati na din yung triple rear cameras niya na nakalagay dun sa dalawang circular module. Then the other smaller circles are its LED flash and ambient light sensor. The frame has a metallic texture, yet it is made out of plastic. One of the things we're very happy to see here is an alert slider on the upper right side, kasama ng power button niya sa baba. Finally, the brand decided to add their iconic alert slider for the Nord line. Then sa left side naman is yung volume rocker. Up top is a microphone, IR blaster, and a lone speaker grill. Hindi pa yan yung call speaker niya, so expect this to have a good sound system. Tapos sa baba naman are your main loudspeakers, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and a dual SIM tray. If you guys are wondering, there's no room for a micro SD card here. Pero yung variant naman na magiging available locally has 256GB of internal storage. We're not sure if it has an official IP rating, but it does have a red rubber sa card slots niya that indicate that there somehow is. Anyways, this Nord 3 5G is slim, trendy, and I would still say premium. Even with its display, we get a 6.74-inch 120Hz fluid AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution, HDR10 Plus support, and up to a high 1450 nits of peak brightness. We appreciate na meron siyang ultra-slim bezels all around and a pre-installed screen protector on top. Scrolling through, so far this display is smooth, vibrant, and can get a lot bright. Satisfying siyang gamitin. Now, checking out cameras, at the back is a 50MP f1.9 Sony IMX890 main sensor with OIS, together with an 8MP f2.3 ultra-wide and a 2MP f2.4 macro shooter. Placed on its notch area naman is a 16MP f2.0 wide selfie camera. We will go more in-depth in our full review, but for now, here are some camera samples for you guys. When it comes to its internals, this phone is equipped with a 5G-ready MediaTek Dimensity 9000 octa-core chip, together with a Mali-G710 MP10 GPU and 16GB RAM na expandable pa from 4GB up to 12GB of virtual RAM. For software, it's still Google loaded, but this is actually Oxygen OS 13.1 that's based on Android 13. Now talking about its battery, inside is a large 5000 mAh capacity that can be quickly charged with its 80W SUPERVOOC fast charging. Ngayon pa lang mukhang okay talaga to ah. So far, we're liking its flagship-grade cameras, upgrades on design, 5G-ready performance, and high battery capacity with that solid 80W fast charging tech. Gagamitin pa namin to for the next few days, so stay tuned for our full review soon. As for the price, currently wala pa siyang official price dito sa Philippines, but we are guessing that it could be within the premium mid-range price range. Well, abangan na lang natin sa local launch nila. And that's it for now guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Justin and I'll see you next time.